Hello guys, so here I will ask you some questions for English Discovery Assessment. Let me introduce myself, Yunisa Andini. You can call me Yunisa. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Alicia Putri. You can call me Alicia.
And my name is Tika Fabriola. You can call me Tika.
What made you want to become a nurse, Tika?
Childhood ambition and parental support.
Okay, next Alicia.
I was inspired by seeing how my mom took care of patient when she was in hospital.
Okay. Next, what do you like most about the nursing profession?
When we see patients recover and they trust us, this is more than enough to make us happy.
Okay, Alicia.
I love how nursing allow you to help people.
Okay, next, what is inspired you to choose nursing as a career, Tika?
I saw nurses in the hospital helping many people, so I wanted to do the same.
Okay, Alicia.
My mom, who is also a nurse, really inspired me.
Okay, next, who support you the dream to become a nurse?
Of course, my parents, and I hope I can make them happy.
Okay, Alicia.
Mostly my dad. He's always encouraged me and believe in my ability to care for others.
When did you realize you wanted to be a nurse?
Since I was little, I have been interested.
Okay, next Alicia.
I realized I want to be a nurse during high school.
When do you plan to start working as a nurse, Tika?
I don't know what the future holds, but right now I'm a nursing student.
I plan to start working as soon as I graduate.
Where would you like to work as a nurse in the future?
I don't know yet, but I hope I can get into a well-known hospital.
I would love to work in a hospital, specifically in ICU.
Where did you first learn about nursing profession, Tika?
When I entered vocational high school, I took the nursing assistant field.
I first learned about nursing from my mom and career day even at school.
Why do you want to become a nurse, Tika?
Because I want to be able to look after and care for my parents.
Because I want a career that's meaningful and allow me to help others. And my mom inspired me.
Why do you think nursing is a good career choice?
Because I can open an independent clinic.
Nursing is a stable and respected profession with many opportunities to grow and specialize.
How are you preparing to become a nurse?
I prepared my mind as hard as I could.
Okay, Alicia.
I'm studying hard in university for nursing major.
Okay, Las. How do you feel about helping people as a nurse?
I'm very happy when seeing someone recover and smile.
Alicia.
I feel proud and honored. Helping people is not always easy, but it gives me a deep sense of purpose.
Okay, guys, thanks for answering some of my questions. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hello guys, so here I will ask you some questions for English Discovery assignment. Let me introduce myself. My name is Alicia Putri Salsabila Usman, and please introduce yourself first.
Oh, my name is Yunisa Andini. You can call me Yunisa.
Hello, my name is Tika Fabriola. You can call me Tika.
Okay, for first question, what do you usually bring when you go mudik, Tika?
Maybe lots of clothes and food.
And Yunisa?
Maybe a pillow because I often fall asleep dari.
Okay, next. Who do you usually communicate with?
The cool atmosphere of the village yard and my mother's cooking.
And Yunisa?
The journey is very exciting.
Okay, next. Who do you usually communicate with?
Now with my old friend because in our travel we were together.
And Yunisa?
I usually go with my family.
Okay, next. Who are you most excited to meet when you arrive?
Of course, my parents and my younger siblings.
Oh, and Yunisa?
My big family who lives in the village.
Okay, next. When do you usually start your mudik trip?
When I get a day off.
When it comes,
Okay. When did you last experience a traffic jam during mudik?
Not long, 1 week before it yesterday.
And Yunisa?
I got stuck in traffic on the way.
Okay, next question. Where do you usually go for mudik?
Of course, to my parents' house in the city of Nganjuk.
And Yunisa?
To Blitar City and Lamongan.
Oh, sounds cool. Next question. Where do you stop to rest during the trip?
Because it wasn't too far, so I didn't stop during the trip.
And Yunisa?
At a rest area on the highway.
Okay, next question. Why do you look forward to mudik every year?
Because to relive longing and celebrate holidays together.
And Yunisa?
Because only during mudik we can gather with our big family.
Okay, next. Why do you think some people choose not to go mudik?
Maybe because of constraints and very long distance.
And Yunisa?
Maybe because of social problems.
Okay, next question. How do you usually travel for mudik? By car, bus, or train?
I took the bus travel via toll road from Surabaya to Nganjuk.
In Bungurasi.
That's right.
And Yunisa?
I usually go mudik by private car.
Okay, and last question. How do you feel during the journey?
Going home is fun, so I enjoy every trip.
And Yunisa?
It's fun, but I often fall asleep during the mudik trip.
Okay, thank you. Thanks for answering some of my question and happy holiday guys. Bye bye.
Hello guys, so here I will ask you some questions for English Discovery assignment. Let me introduce myself. My name is Tika Febriola. You can call me Tika. And now please introduce yourself first guys.
My name is Alicia Putri Salsabila Usman. You can call me Alicia.
My name is Yunisa Dwi Andini. You can call me Yunisa.
Okay, hello Alisa and hello Yunisa. First question, what did you during your vacation?
I went on vacation with my closest people or my best friend.
And Alisa,
I spent time with my family and my friend to explore new place.
okay. What was the most exciting part of your holiday, Yunisa?
The most exciting part was having fun without worries.
Alicia?
The most exciting part was when me and my family mudik to Bojonegoro.
Okay. And Yunisa, where did you spend your holiday?
I spent my holiday at the beach.
Alicia,
Mostly, I spend my holiday in home because I want to sleep.
okay, next. Where is a place you have never been to but you want to go there?
I really want to visit Mount Bromo.
Alicia?
I've never been to Malang Beach, but I really want to go there to see beautiful beach Malang.
Okay, and Yunisa, when did you go on vacation?
I went on vacation during a special holiday.
Okay, Alicia,
I went on vacation last Maret during the kuliah break.
next, when are you planning your next holiday, Yunisa?
Maybe on New Year's.
And Alicia?
I'm planning my next holiday in Juni during the upcoming Eid Adha.
Yunisa, who did you on vacation with?
I went with my best friend.
Alicia?
I went with my family, my parents, and my brothers.
Wow, who planned your holiday trip, Yunisa?
The trip was planned by me and my friend.
Alicia?
Me and my brother, but mostly it's me.
Okay. Yunisa, why did you choose that place for your vacation?
Because the beach is very comfortable and peaceful.
Okay, and Alicia?
Because my brother wanted watching Pabrik Gula in theater.
Okay. And Yunisa, why do you enjoy going on holidays?
Because holidays are activities without stress or worries.
Because holiday help me relax and spend time with my pet.
Nice. Okay. Yunisa, how was your overall holiday experience?
It was very fun.
Alicia?
It was amazing. I felt refreshed and happy throughout my sleep.
And last question, how do you prepare for a holiday trip, Yunisa?
I prepare for a holiday by checking my heart, my schedule, and most importantly, preparing money.
And Alicia?
I usually unplanned about the place we're going to.
Okay, so guys, thanks for answering some of my questions. Thank you.